Welcome to our channel. If you want to stream free content with Downloader Code 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions to access apps and services on your device. Step 1. On your Fire TV or Android TV device, navigate to the search function and look for the Downloader app. Step 2. Install the Downloader app if you do not already have it. This app allows you to download and install applications using codes or URLs. Step 3. Open the Downloader app after installation completes. Step 4. In the Downloader app's main screen, you will see a URL or code input field. Step 5. Enter the specific downloader code 2025 provided by the streaming service or content provider you want to access. Step 6. Tap Go or press Enter to begin downloading the application associated with that code. Step 7. Once the download completes, Downloader will prompt you to install the app. Click Install. Step 8. After installation, you may need to enable unknown sources in your device's security settings if you have not already done so. Step 9. Open the newly installed streaming app and sign up or log in as required. Step 10. Browse the available free content and start streaming. Remember to only use legitimate codes and services to avoid legal issues and malware. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.